Hi everyone, so this is just a small update. I want to let you know that I'm very busy recently, so the videos might not be coming every week. However, I'll try to maintain the schedule, and I just wonder if you still want me to do Substance Designer and just to keep pushing and see how far we can go with it, or would you rather me to start including some videos how to tweak textures that we got from Substance in Photoshop, maybe some simple meshes creation in Houdini. And also I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and I wonder if you can just spend, I don't know, 10 seconds literally just click on the link and answer the question which engine you prefer. Is it Unreal Engine or Unity? I just want to see where the split is in my audience, and basically I want to find out what you prefer to work with. And yeah, the next thing is that I just want to let you know that Patreon will be starting mid-February, as I'm working on the first tutorial, and I think I want to maintain that schedule. So every month, somewhere in the middle, there will be a tutorial drop on Patreon, and I think it'll be more like a playlist, because in the on my Patreon I want to do like everything, so there won't be any secrets how I create stuff. We're gonna start with a simple mesh in Houdini. We're gonna then do textures in Substance and Photoshop, and then we're just gonna dive into the engine. It will be either Unity or Unreal Engine, or probably both, and we're gonna create some materials, shaders, and we're gonna do the particle system setup. So I wanna keep the Discord small, or rather tiny, because I think if we're gonna start with a small community, it will be a lot better, because you might have some questions that I will have to answer, well, that I will get to answer. And yeah, let's start small, and once it's gonna get big, I'll start introducing the mentorships. That will be like a much smaller class, but let's start small and see if we can, how far we can go, because who knows, maybe it's not gonna go anywhere. So I want to keep Patreon alive for 6 months to see how it goes, and see if there's any interest, and if you like it, and if the content is right, and the most important, if I have time to actually dedicate that to tutorials and just share my knowledge with people. So I'm gonna keep it as my priority, but again, just want to give you heads up that 6 months it's the deadline for me, so to see if if this can grow and if it's needed at the moment. Okay, so yeah, that's just a small update, and yeah, that's it. Thanks.